In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change site title and tagline in WordPress. We'll do this from the WordPress site editor, which lets you change global site details right on the canvas. Start by opening the site editor and loading your home template. This puts you in the place where your site's global elements, like the header and footer, are managed, and where the title and tagline live for full site editing themes. Once the editor opens, follow the on-screen highlight prompts. Each highlight guides you to the next click so you can drill into the correct area. If your theme groups elements inside template parts, don't worry. Clicking the highlight may first select a container, then a group, then the specific block you need. Keep following the highlights until you reach the controls for the site title and the tagline. When the site title block is selected, you can update your site's name directly on the canvas or in the settings sidebar. Keep it short, clear, and memorable. Next, select the tagline. This is a brief phrase that explains what your site is about. It's optional in many themes, but it's useful for clarity and, in some cases, search snippets. If your clicks select a navigation or group instead, just use the breadcrumb at the top of the canvas to step into the site title or tagline block. Those highlights are there to help you get to the right layer. As you make edits, glance at the sidebar for typography and visibility options. Some themes let you control whether the tagline shows, its size, and how it wraps. Aim for a tagline that's under 60 characters if you want it to look great across devices. When you're happy with your changes, use Preview in a new tab to see exactly how the title and tagline appear on the front end. This is a great time to check mobile and tablet views and confirm nothing is truncated or overlapping. Ready to keep the changes? Click Save. WordPress may ask you to confirm what you're saving, such as the template and any template parts, so confirm the prompt to finalize. If you see a second save prompt, click it to complete the process. Finally, click Launch to make the updates live if your site requires that confirmation. That's it. You've updated your site title and tagline from the site editor, previewed the results, saved and launched. If something doesn't look right, just return to the editor, select the highlighted areas again, and tweak the text or styling